Behind its quaint and charming Federation-style facade lies an incredible, no expense spared and well thought out renovation that'll be the envy of all your neighbours. Hi, I'm Chris Panisi, proudly representing Pello, and I'd love to show you through 67 Cobham Avenue, Melrose Park. Let's go take a look. What I feel most families are going to love about this home is the amount of outdoor entertaining space that's on offer. With a built-in barbecue and kitchen, dining area, living space, and sparkling in-ground pool, it's an incredible place to entertain family and friends all year round. So there it is, incredible homes like this that have been renovated to such an exacting standard in this location are incredibly hard to come by. If I can help you with any further inquiries, please feel free to give me a call. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing you at the upcoming open home.